Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending DIY project ideas and react to them. So today's video is going to feature a variety of bohemian style decor DIYs. So here we have someone making a vase. You can also use this as a candle holder. They chose to use it as a vase. And then we have another DIY. Looks like they have some type of like wooden cutting board or piece here that they're using. So I think they might be making like a table tray with this one. I really like the aesthetic of this. Very cool. Then we have someone making a side table. So I really like the color scheme that they use. I've never seen this pretty green before. Tate green. And they use chalk paint for this, which is like one of the easiest kind of paints that you can work with. Really cool. I love the way that this looks. Easy DIY hack. So they are making a pillow here with a design. Mountains and a moon. Very interesting. And then we have someone making like their own Ottoman. Did they use a pillowcase for that? So it looks like they used a pillowcase, some cotton, and then just kind of like stuffed it in. Wow, this is a really cool idea. Wow. So creative. And then this next person, they are either making some type of wall decor piece or a mirror design for sure. The wooden beads, yeah, this is definitely a mirror. Very nice. Pommel Grass tutorial. So they're making Pommel Grass out of like that jute style material. This is really interesting. So they used a wooden stick. Wow. That's insane. That came out absolutely unreal. Oh, cute little bathroom razor. You can, of course, like place this anywhere around your home. That's a really good DIY. Oh, they're making their own designer looking like cutting board. Oh, wow. This is really cool. Buy like a basic cutting board and put your own design on there. I love that idea. Ooh, cinnamon rolls. Those look good. Okay, so they're stacking these painted pieces of wood. Oh, they're making like their own decorative boxes or books rather. Oh, that's cool. That seems like a pretty easy DIY too. Very beginner friendly, and I like the little leaves they added on top and the flowers. Nice little girly touch. Oh, wow. This looks absolutely amazing. And this is so my aesthetic. Oh my gosh, I love it. Oh wow. That was so cool. So it looks like someone's doing like a big reef here. Or leaf rather. So I'm guessing this would probably go on like the wall. Yeah. That's pretty nice. Why do I feel like I want to see that in like a bathroom, like a nice little boho inspired bathroom? Okay, there's some type of frame here that they're going to upcycle. Now this frame actually looked pretty nice, so they're taking the paint off and spray painting it black. Oh, it kind of has like a bronze look. No, they're taking it even darker. Okay, I honestly don't understand. Well, I guess it looks more bronzed than it did previously, but like they bought this frame to make it look more antique, and then they like did all these steps to make it look, I don't know. I'm not sure about that one. Oh, I love this DIY with the gold bugs. I think I'm just a fan of everything gold. Like anytime I see something that's gold, I'm like, oh, I like that. Like if the previous girl had kept the mirror frame or picture frame gold, I probably would have loved it a little bit more. This is cool though. This is like an utensil holder that they're using or making. That would be great for like parties. That would be really cool actually. Then your guests can just come and get what they need. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out these DIY projects with me. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will of course see you in the next video.